Choosing a reliable garage door company can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. But here's what truly matters: experience, quality, and customer trust. At Tip Top Garage Doors in Raleigh, we're dedicated to providing expert, dependable service backed by years of industry experience and satisfied customers. Imagine needing urgent repairs or installation of a high-quality, secure door that fits your style. You need a team you can count on for timely, professional work and long-lasting solutions. From emergency repairs to regular maintenance, our technicians ensure your garage door is safe, functional, and looks great. Choose Tip Top Garage Doors for service you can count on, where trust meets excellence every single time.